Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making smashed cucumber salad. Let's get right to it. To start, wash the cucumber and remove both ends. Cut into 5 pieces and place them in a Ziploc bag. On a cutting board, smash the cucumber chunks lightly with a rolling pin. The cucumber should crack open and smash into 4 sections. Once the whole cucumber is completely open, cut it at 45-degree angle into bite-sized pieces. In a bowl, mix the cut cucumber with light soy sauce, black vinegar, sugar, salt, and red chili pepper. Then mince scallion and garlics. Heat cooking oil over medium-high and add scallion and garlic. Stir until fragrant and pour over cucumber. Mix everything fully. Then smashed cucumber salad is ready. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and see you until next time.